Hello, my name is Michael DeScenzo. I'm the Commissioner of Taxation in Australia. My job is to make sure Australia's tax and superannuation systems are working effectively so everyone pays their fair share of tax under the law. Having good, fair tax and super systems that respect people's rights and serves the community is the foundation of Australia's democracy. The taxes you pay will help to build our schools, roads, hospitals, and fund other community services we all need to live productive lives. As a migrant coming to settle in Australia with my family in the 1950s, I understand some of the challenges you face if you don't speak English as a first language. This presentation will help you to begin to understand how the tax and super systems work, and how, as a valued member of the community, you share in the benefit it provides. Welcome to Tax in Australia, what you need to know.
If you're about to start a job or receive government benefits from Centrelink, this presentation will give you the information you need about tax in Australia. If you're living in Australia and earning money, you may have to pay tax to the Australian government. The Australian Tax Office collects tax for the government.
Generally, you must pay tax on your income you get from working, a business, government benefits such as Centrelink payments, income from investments. How much tax you pay depends on the income you earn, whether you are a resident for tax purposes, and whether you have a tax file number. This is a personal identity number that you must keep secure. In general, you are an Australian resident for tax purposes if you have come to Australia and live here permanently, are an overseas student, or are visiting Australia for more than 6 months, work in the one job and live at the same place for most of that time. If you earn money from working, your employer will take tax out of your pay during the income year. This is how most people pay tax. The government uses tax money to provide valuable services to the community, including hospitals, schools and universities, police, roads, railways and airports, and government benefits and other help you may get. The government also gives Australian residents access to healthcare called Medicare. To help fund the scheme, resident taxpayers pay a Medicare levy. For more information, visit www.ato.gov.au or call 132861 to ask about your personal tax. If you do not speak English well and want to talk to a tax officer, phone the Translating and Interpreting Service on 131450 for help with your call.